Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty with the 6.7 liter Powerstroke engine. Runs smooth, so I'll go ahead and close this up, take you for a tour. Does have the tow hooks up front. Fixed running boards. Have those polished aluminum rims. A tow package. Here are your cameras. This is the Lariat package as well. So the interior especially will be trimmed out. I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of that. So you do have tan leather seats, and you have heated second row and additional power supplies right there. There's your keyless entry. You have your driver select. As we look down here, we'll see that we have 30,600 miles on this vehicle. Just gonna come over here to our comfort controls and turn this down so you can hear me better. Okay, and you'll notice that it also has cooled and heated front seats as well. As you come over here, you're gonna have your push to talk, your infotainment and cruise control, and your towing controls. Excuse me. And then we also have our 2- and 4-wheel drive here, your trailer sway control, and up here our sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. For our climate, there are your controls there, phone, navigation as well, and your apps and your settings. All right, and as we come down here, you're gonna have your phone charger and 2 USB ports. You have stowage, cup holders. You have additional stowage down there, additional power supply, and your dash, and your upfitter switches. That about wraps it up for the interior of this Lariat. This particular vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.